Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Thank you for coming after our class. Did you enjoy?
Yeah, it was really nice.
Yeah, I really enjoy as well. It's a long time now you are coming to my class. I'm really
It's
happy with
1
that.
year.
1 year now. Yeah, it's really beautiful. But I could see that like you still coming a bit late. I got nothing against that. That could happen to anyone. But what I would like to do is like when you arrive late to try to make less noise.
Are you saying that I'm noisy?
Yes, when you arrive, you don't really realize, but you put your bags and then you close the door pretty strong, and then like everyone try to connect with the pranayama, and me too. I'm like a bit confused about the situation because I don't know really.
You get confused with me?
Yes, exactly, a little bit. But just what I wanted to let you know is like behind the yoga there is as well some.
I'm sorry.
No, it's okay, no problem, no worries. We're all learning about life, and like we don't sometimes realize our behaviors. But yeah, I wanted to tell you about yoga. There is a philosophy behind, and like the first step is that like you have to respect what we call the klesha, and inside the klesha there is one called amista. It's about egoism, they say, and like
Are you
this.
calling me
No, but
selfish?
what I'm saying to you is that like if you was paying more attention to your behaviors when you come to your class, it won't be a problem. But cause you make so much noise, I need to tell you that, and maybe be more aware about it. And next time it should be alright. Don't be scared or vexed or.
I'm feeling so embarrassed right now.
But listen, like sometimes it's good to be embarrassed because it puts yourself in some uncomfort situation. That like you can start to think a bit about your behaviors. So no problem with me at all. I just wanted to share this point with you, and try to, if you are late, it's okay, but just don't make noise because like this everyone is more for the other student. I really want a bit more silence.
Okay. And I noticed that the front door was locked, and the front door is super far away from the car park. Is it possible to have the door open?
Yes, next time I will think about it. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, no worries.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you.
It was
You have
really
a-
good. And sorry for today.
It's all good. It's all good. No worries.
Brazilians sometimes are a little bit. Like,
Yes, I know that.
It's,
I know
it's
that.
a stereotype.
Yeah. It's okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too.
Hello, you. How are you?
Hey, you. Yeah, pretty good, thanks. How are you?
Are you alright to sit down in front of me to have a proper?
Ah, sure, so I can get
Yeah.
a better look at those big brown eyes.
Okay, great.
Yeah, hi.
So if I come to you, it's because if I really wanted to talk to you, it's like
You really wanted to talk to me?
yes,
Me in
yes,
particular?
yeah. But first listen to me because I don't think it's the way you expect
My
it.
ears are yours.
So what I wanted to tell you is that like I really appreciate. Be careful, please, of your foot. I really appreciate your company. You're really nice,
yeah.
and you always have a good energy. And I really appreciate your way to see life and everything.
Oh, you want to see the way I like my life?
Yeah, but
Yeah, you do.
but the only thing is a problem between you and me is that I would like to put more boundary.
Boundary.
Boundary, yeah.
Bondage.
Yeah, no boundary. Boundary, cause like this is what I'm talking about. It's like you always trying, and then during the class you make some comment about myself. That I appreciate, but we are not here to that. And behind this, I really wanted as well to tell you a bit about the philosophy behind yoga.
Mm-hmm.
In what we call the yamas, what we give to the world, there is one called brahmacharya. It's the way to moderation in all things and abstinence. And I think you should find a way and meditate about this, what I just tell you, because I really would like to continue with you, but with your behaviors, I don't feel comfortable. And even if it's nice, this is the way you're looking at me. Sometimes it's a bit obvious. And like I said, thank you, but I'm not
You
interested.
today. You sending me mixed messages here. You said
no,
like,
but I'm not-
stop,
I'm not-
but you like it and you appreciate it.
I'm not
Is it
interested.
just we got to take it out of here?
I'm interested.
Is that what you want to do?
No.
You're naughty.
I'm interested in you coming in my yoga
You
class.
want me to come in you?
In my yoga class, but no more of this little thing that you push. Because at one point, if you continue, I will have to say we have to stop. Because because it's not good for me, for my for the people who feel it around me, telling
Talking
me
about
what's
like a safe
happening.
word?
Like it start to get weird in the class because of your behaviors. So like
My behavior.
yes, because it's a bit creepy sometimes. I need to
Creepy.
yes,
You're
yes.
calling me creepy.
No. It's just sometimes it can be.
Well, you're the one who makes us all bend over when you're behind us. I mean,
Yeah.
Now who's
but-
being creepy, huh?
Yeah. But I'm the teacher, so I am
Yeah,
the
you
one
are.
who manage the class.
Saying I'm being naughty.
So you have to try to stop.
Do I
being-
need to be punished?
You won't be punished by me, but
Oh, you've got
but
friends?
anyway, I think you understand. I hope you understand. If you don't, we're going to try one more time. If you don't, I will have to ask you to see someone else. And like I say, like yoga is not just about stretching; it's all the philosophy behind to balance in every aspect of life, and even in this kind of relationship, if you don't
So
have
it
the
is a
feedback,
relationship.
like teacher to student, if you don't have the feedback, you have to stop and be aware of that. So I think you get my point. I hope.
I'd like to
And
get your point.
yeah, so like just teacher, student, and this is the only way we can work together, because my life is already done. I'm set up. I don't need more drama at the moment. So
Well, got to be honest, I'm a bit disappointed. You know,
Yeah,
I thought we had a good thing going, you know, and I thought it was really going to lead somewhere beautiful.
but you know,
and I
yoga
think you're
way-
making a mistake, and I think you're just a bit confused. But,
yeah, if
I'll think about it. I hear you.
Yeah.
I'm not.
in a yoga way, as a yoga teacher, I think yeah we have a good relationship, but sometimes you just going behind the boundary that I don't want you to go.
Well, ooh, Lord, you just can't help yourself, can you? Well, you have my number if you change your mind.
Exactly. Thank you. But thank you anyway. Namaste. Hey. Hey. Oh. Yo. How are you today?
Very good.
Yeah. I can smell that like you had a fun last night or this morning. I don't know what happened to you, but you're not used to come. Do you know why I make you come here right now?
What?
Did you understand why we have to a chat today?
No.
No, okay. So like I want to explain you that because like I could see your behaviors. You was really, I could feel and smell that you drank last night or this morning, and like it was a bit uncomfortable for me because you was a bit spacey and even the other students feel a bit uncomfortable. So I was just
Really?
there. Yeah. Even especially when you start to fart, and at one point it can be a bit annoying for others because you don't really realize. But
It wasn't me. I think.
yeah, it was you, but you was just too drunk to realize, I guess. Anyway,
I think someone put something in my water this morning.
okay, cause yeah, I'm not used to see you like that.
Was
okay.
you?
No, of course not. I can, I don't. No, it wasn't me. But like,
That was
so
fun.
what I
It was
want to,
nice.
what I really want to share with you is like behind the yoga, is a way to see life, and there is a philosophy behind, and it's not just about stretching. There is something that we call sosha, is to clean the body, mind, and spirit. And if you do that to clean yourself, and at the same time you become drunk, there is no point of practicing yoga in this condition. So maybe you didn't do it on purpose, but I would like next time to you be more aware of how you feel, because you are not alone. There is a lot of people around you, and it can be uncomfortable. I agree. Sometimes it's good to have a drink or two, but during the yoga class, try to just at least be respectful for the others. And yeah, this is what I think. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
I'm not sure if I understand what you say, but
it's okay. I record everything. I can show you after.
Okay.
To next week.
bye.
Thank you. Bye bye. Perfect.